What if you could build and run applications without ever managing a server? That's the power of serverless computing, and it's changing how software is deployed. Serverless computing doesn't mean there are no servers. It means developers don't have to manage them. Cloud providers like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud automatically handle the infrastructure, scaling resources up or down based on demand. This model saves time and money. Developers can focus purely on writing code, while the platform takes care of performance, updates, and scaling. You only pay for the resources you actually use, making it cost-efficient for startups and enterprises alike. From running chatbots and mobile apps to processing IoT data, serverless computing is everywhere. It speeds up development cycles and reduces the risk of downtime, enabling businesses to innovate faster. Serverless computing is rethinking software deployment, making it simpler, smarter, and more efficient. It's a major step toward the future of cloud-native applications. For more insights on modern software trends, like, share, and subscribe to Pen Content Digital.